Alright, you want to see what's inside of here.
Like I said, you can't get it out if you go down.
Well,
the wind's died.
These little knife edges.
Oh God, there's a straight window through it.
No,
Where?
Like, there's a window.
Get out to the other side?
I just did.
Shit!
We're Frog City, bitches!
This bitch about to get slammed around like a fucking French whore.
Okay. Right off the fucking side. Oh, excellent!
Told you.
This dude doesn't have chill.
No chill at all.
Man, you see it, you go for it.
Hold on.
You want to plug it in? Right in the middle of that little Now we're in challenge mode. Knife, perch, Hitchcock. Oh Lord, that's tight. Let me go perch real quick. Oh wait. Bruh.
That's what I'm talking about!
Oh shit! Bruh, did y'all actually see that? Bro, that was a knife edge to fucking exit. Holy shit.
Yeah. Knife edges? That was hard. He knife edged and came out through the middle. Yeah.
Trying to do a dive?
I dove booped it.
But you're trying to go through the whole thing, huh? Oh,
You can know that. Yeah.
I don't think that's happening.
It's real hard to do.
How about that? That was a dirty one, but
You're trying to matty this.
I ain't, I wasn't a matty, that was just a fall in. Bro, hold on. I'll try to matty it, but I want to. Yes. All right, now we're gonna go up it. Oh, nope. It's tight as fuck. All right, I gotta get one more pack, guys. I'm sorry. There ain't no wind right now, bruh. Dude,
Alright, I got a little bit of battery left.
Get something, bro. A bunch of rice.
Spider-Man.
I was in there.